Welcome to BikeBlasters, your go-to channel for everything on two wheels. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Suzuki Hayabusa, a motorcycle that has long been synonymous with speed, power, and prestige. With its latest update, the Hayabusa continues to reign as the ultimate sport touring machine, blending unmatched technology. Let's take a closer look at what makes the 2025 Hayabusa a masterpiece on two wheels. Design elegance in motion. The 2025 Suzuki Hayabusa retains its iconic aerodynamic silhouette, but with subtle refinements that make it sleeker and more aggressive. The sculpted fairings are designed to slice through the air with minimal drag, enhancing both performance and stability at high speeds. New color schemes like Pearl Nebula Red, Metallic Phantom Black, and a striking two-toned silver with blue accents give the bike a fresh, modern appeal. Full LED lighting, including a redesigned headlamp and integrated turn signals, adds a contemporary touch without straying from the Hayabusa's signature look. Engine power redefined. At the heart of the 2025 Hayabusa is Suzuki's legendary 1340cc inline-4 engine. This beast has been further refined to deliver a mind-blowing 200 horsepower and 155 Nm of torque, ensuring blistering acceleration and effortless top-end speed. Suzuki has incorporated an updated ride-by-wire throttle system for precise control and smoother power delivery. A revised exhaust system not only enhances performance, but also gives the Hayabusa a deeper, more resonant growl that complements its commanding presence. Technology, the future of performance. The 2025 Hayabusa is packed with state-of-the-art technology, making it one of the smartest motorcycles on the road. The Suzuki Intelligent Ride System, Blockbuster, offers features like multiple riding modes, customize the bike's power output, traction control, and ABS settings. Quick Shift System, enjoy clutchless upshifts and downshifts for seamless performance. Launch Control, perfect for drag races or rapid acceleration from a standstill. Cornering ABS, provides optimal braking performance, even when leaning into a turn. The bike's full-color TFT display integrates with your smartphone, offering navigation, media control, and live ride analytics. Comfort and handling, built for speed and touring. Despite its reputation as a speed demon, the Hayabusa is designed with rider comfort in mind. An adjustable windscreen, ergonomic seat, and optimized riding position make long-distance touring a breeze. The lightweight aluminum frame and updated suspension system ensure precise handling and stability at any speed. Bridgestone Battleaxe tires provide exceptional grip, while the Brembo Styalma brakes deliver unparalleled stopping power, giving riders the confidence to push their limits. Who should ride the Hayabusa? The 2025 Suzuki Hayabusa is the perfect choice for riders who crave speed, performance, and luxury in one package. Whether you're a thrill seeker looking to dominate the highway or a touring enthusiast wanting a comfortable yet powerful ride, the Hayabusa delivers on all fronts. Conclusion: a legend evolved. The 2025 Suzuki Hayabusa is not just a motorcycle. It's a statement of engineering excellence and unrelenting performance. Suzuki has taken everything we loved about the Hayabusa and refined it for a new era, ensuring its place as a benchmark in the world of sport touring motorcycles. What do you think of the new Hayabusa? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to BikeBlasters for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest in motorcycling. Until next time, keep riding and keep chasing the horizon.